Yo, what is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the $50 pit bike. Just fixing up a few little last minute things just so we can get it ready for a test drive. So let's start working on it. So one of the main problems we were having, it was leaking from the petcock and from the float bowl. So I think we can go ahead and fix the petcock, but I'm not sure about the float bowl. If it's leaking a little bit from the float bowl, it should be fine. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and remove this gas tank and then see if we can fix that petcock. So let's do it. Alright, so we just removed this petcock. It just screws in like this. And I've just removed that, and I'm just going to go ahead and thread this into there. And then just have a direct line into the carburetor. Hopefully just put some gasket maker on this and seal it up good. But yeah, that's what we're going to do to bypass that. And so yeah, let's thread it in there. Alright, so I got everything cleaned up. Threads fit pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and JB weld that just to make it more secure instead of that gasket maker. JB weld will work a lot better. So let's go ahead and mix up some JB weld and JB weld it. So I got the petcock all JB welded, or the makeshift petcock. Now it's just a direct line. But yeah, got it chilling on the Sea-Doo. If you guys haven't watched the videos on that, definitely go check it out. But yeah, so now we're gonna come back in here and pop this carburetor off and try to fix the leak in that. So let's pop it off again. So now that we got the carb installed, hopefully leak free, we'll just have to wait and see. But while we wait for the gas tank to dry as well, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little oil change just to help this thing last a little longer. So let's go ahead and change the oil. Alright, so the oil is changed, and now we're just ready to throw some air in the tires. And then I have to wait and come back tomorrow when the gasket maker and the JB weld is all dry. So yeah, I'll go ahead and catch you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the JB weld is all dry. So this is ready to get thrown back on. That's pretty sweet. The carburetor is all dry, I'm assuming, so that's pretty rad. So now we're ready to throw this thing back together. So we threw the plastics on, the gas tank. Everything's solid for the most part except for these side pieces. But I also went ahead and threw an air filter on from an old pit bike. So that should be way better than nothing. But yeah, now we're ready to throw some gas in it and fire it up and take it for a spin. Alright, so no leaks so far, so that's really good. Even if it does start leaking, it's probably will just be minor, so that's really good. So now we're going to go ahead and fire her up. It for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more videos.